Hi, this is Mary. Welcome to my beautiful mess. Thank you for joining me. Today we're going to talk about guided journals. Happy Planner put out some guided journals a while back, and I've heard that some people kind of struggle to decorate them. And honestly, I did it first. I did another video here on my my YouTube that kind of just gave a brief little overview about decorating them. But I promised that I would actually do like a plan with me to try to give you some ideas. So, so today we're going to do that. I'm not going to be writing anything in the journal. I'm just going to be kind of laying stickers down and kind of showing you how I kind of use the space. I love journaling. I love when they came out with these. So here's what I'm going to do. I do tend to work, the guided journals do have colors kind of built into them. They're not really very neutral. Like none of them that I've seen are very neutral. So I do kind of use the colors. The only one that is even remotely neutral might actually be the Teresa Collins one, but even that still has like some blush accents and stuff. So I'm using this page, and I'm going to use the Flowers sticker book. I love this sticker book. This sticker book is going to be here it's already released in the Be Happy box as well, but it's also available at Michael's. So I'm going to actually be using, these are kind of fall botanicals, but I'm going to be using them since they kind of work well with this peachy tone that I already have in there. So what I'm going to do is we have a big white space here. So one thing I kind of like to do is utilize some of that. So I'm going to drop in some leaves like here. Kind of drop it into that space. And then I find that I never really come all the way to the end of the page. Like maybe some people do. I write kind of thin and small, and so I normally can fit most everything here in this little spot here. I normally don't, take it all the way over there, but you certainly could if you wanted to. I'm going to, so there's a few pages in here that have these kind of botanical, I think it's just 3 pages, but let me double check. Yeah, so it's just 3 pages here. So in this spot, I like to put kind of like a little border, or sometimes I put a quote there. In this case, I think I'm just gonna throw like a few leaves there, but you certainly could, add like one of these big, sprigs or swags or whatever you want to call them. Okay, I cannot get the sticker off. There we go. It keeps wanting to peel the whole backing off. I'm actually going to kind of throw it that way to make it a little more interesting. But I kind of like to separate out that space. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I would really like to find a smaller one here. There we go. But I'm going to put like another one right here and kind of use some of that white space up and just kind of keep my writing in here. And then, I don't know if these are going to be too big or small. I think they're going to be a little bit too big. Let's see. Yeah, definitely too big on that side. Might even be too big on that side. What a shame, because I really kind of like these. You know what I'm going to do? There's no rules here, y'all. Like, we can do whatever we want. But I'm going to use it this way because that's just me. And then I'm going to trim the excess off. I don't care that the lines are going that way because I'm going to use a bold marker and kind of cover that up anyway. I might even find like a quote that might fit in here. But I'm just going to trim this off. I'm not going to do it right this second. But so that's kind of like, you can add some color to it. This is like a really quick video, but I just kind of wanted to show you a little bit on how to kind of put that together. And if you wanted to, this is kind of the monthly colored boxes. If you wanted to, you could still drop some colorful boxes in here. Like if you didn't want to put this or something like here, you could also use a colorful box and just stick it here. Like I have done that before. In fact, let's just do that because you can layer stickers too. So let's just layer the sticker and I'll show you what I mean. So like, and layering stickers is really pretty because it adds like a lot of interest to the page. So you can do that. It's okay if that covers up. It actually looks really pretty. And then they have, and it's really, I really only seen it in this particular book. Where they have kind of longer stickers. But one thing you can do is, sorry, you can add some boxes there too, if you wanted to. And we'll add another one here. And that's a way to decorate your page. So I definitely like to kind of use the colorful boxes. The only problem is it kind of constrains your writing to that space. So if you are a big writer or you write a lot, you know, that may not be for you. That's okay. But it does add some interest to your page and it kind of breaks up a lot of the white space. So again, this is like a really quick video, but I promised that I would do kind of a quick plan with me. I'm going to trim that off. Don't worry. I'm going to trim that off and it'll look okay. See, it'll look fine once I trim it off. But that definitely adds some interest to your page, makes it a little more decorative and gets some of that creativity out when you do your journaling. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up before you leave and don't forget to subscribe.